To enable audio broadcast on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to proceed to connected devices, and then in here we should be able to find Audio Broadcast option. Now in here we have two options. We can either share the broadcast, as we can start playing it, or we can just listen to a broadcast. And in order to start listening, we need to actually connect a device that supports our cast. So if you have one, then of course that's great. If not, then well, you will have to get one. Over here in the share option, we should be able to set up the name of our broadcast. We can also choose the password. And once you want to start broadcasting, you can tap on this button over here in this button. And over here, of course, we have additional information that in order to, to avoid issues or trouble, you want to make sure that you have permission to broadcast music or other content that is owned by someone else. And that is pretty much it. Of course, we can stop at any point you want to. Leave a like and subscribe.